Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error can't edit in Elementor WordPress. So we are using Elementor theme and plugin. So we are in Elementor page editor. Now you see loading. Can't edit, enable safe mode. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. If you want, you can enable safe mode and then you can make changes and then click on publish or update, or you can deactivate plugin or theme, or you can clear your website cache. Mostly this error occur due to cache or plugin conflict. Now go to plugin. Now you see we already deactivate all plugin. So you can deactivate all plugin and then check after issue fix. You can activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this issue. So we deactivate plugin. Now go to edit page, refresh the page. Now you see our issue is fixed. So in our scenario, plugin conflict this error. So we deactivate all plugin and then you can activate plugin one by one and then refresh the page again. So you can check which plugin caused this issue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.